Today is 18th of December. I literally don't have anything planned, so it was like a last minute type of weekly vlog that we are gonna do for my birthday, which is on the 22nd. So I technically only have 3 days. I ordered some hair. I'm gonna try a new hairstyle for the first time. I seen it on TikTok and I was like, I gotta try this. You never know if you don't try. So I'm trying this for my birthday. We're gonna make something in 3 days, guys. 3 days. Bear with me and prepare with me, okay? Y'all feel my drift. Okay. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me. Tell me you'll never give me a Haitian. I love me yourself. Alright, y'all, I'm in the bathroom now, so I can actually take my hair down. As you can see, my hair is looking like. It only looks like this because I haven't washed my hair since Thanksgiving. I don't know how to feel, y'all. Like, I'm turning 24. It's crazy. Like, I was just 12 not too long ago. But I'm blessed to even see 24. I'm blessed to, be surrounded by the people I am surrounded by. My hair is so dry. Look at that. We'll see what the next 3 days will be like because I don't know how it's gonna go. And I usually super prepared for my birthday, but I've been really just trusting God and just letting things be. I'm just grateful for where I am now and what this 24 has for me. So my hair is so dirty. And it just has a bunch of gel in it, but like so nasty. You can obviously see like the residue of gel right here. Hopefully this hairstyle comes out good. I'm going to show you the products that I'm going to be washing my hair with. We're using these today because that's all I got. Guys, can we talk about the Wicked movie? I just seen it again last night with my family. I don't think anybody else was as excited as I was. But that movie is just so beautiful, like everything, production, the topography and the geography and the choreography. Like I've been a musical fan since watching all the High School Musicals and Jumpin', Lemonade Mouth, Hannah Montana, Camp Rock. Besides the second one, because you could have won with any other song besides the freaking song you want to sing. I just feel like this generation don't know nothing about like real movies. My hair is all detangled. I'm gonna get in the shower real fast. I'm going to just blow dry it really fast and then we'll start the breakdown process. We all belong right here together. This is our summer. Let me get in the shower. Inspo that I got, that I'm doing exactly, hopefully comes out like this. It's so cute, like the way she did it. And I'm just trying to figure out the breakdown foundation she did. Yeah. And until then, I'm gonna be watching Yes Moms. Guys, when I tell you I don't know what I'm doing, I don't know what I'm doing. I got half of my head done. It's taking so long. Let's not talk about that part. Mind your business, alright? I'm gonna show y'all the hair first. Toyotress. It is the wavy. Coming out of the package. Very bouncy. I like this. Guys, I wasn't recording. I lost the freaking nail.
Wow.
Literally, I'm watching a tutorial because I don't know what the freak is going on.
Much later.
Hey, how y'all doing?
This is how it's going. I know it's taking so long. Low-key kind of tired. But I'm gonna try and get at least the half of my head. Like, at least. Good morning. It's the next morning. It's 10:41 at the moment. I've actually been up for like a couple hours just editing. But right now we're gonna continue doing my hair. But before we do that, I'm gonna wash my face, brush my teeth, all that good stuff. Just so ghetto. Alright, let's get into it, I guess. It's very long, like it's very full. I'm not done yet. I still have literally this much left. I think it's still coming out really good. I feel like SZA. But this hair is really nice. My nails are really what's messing up my experience right now. I should just take them off right now. I don't know why I'm even saving them. Just trust the process. We trust the process. Hopefully I know how to cut layers, cause Stop the music. I'm scared. But yeah, this hair is very full. And I used 5.5 packs.
You what?
We got our handy dandy scissors right here. I'm gonna try my best. I actually don't know where to start. I really want it to be like here. See how it looks, because I really don't know. I don't know why I got a 10-inch.
A few inches later.
I f***ed up. Guys, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Like, actually, cutting is making it worse.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Don't freak out. This can still be cute. This can still look good.
Looks like we don't give a shit. Looks like we don't give a shit. Looks like we don't give a shit.
Guys, I made it worse. Like, I feel it like, at the same time, it's like, I don't know. Like, I still feel like it's a lot of hair. Like, I'm over it. I am. I'm sad. We made it. It's called Star Nails and Spa. Cute. Yes, I'm wearing my Crocs, bro. This is so nice. The water didn't go hot though. This place is so cute, guys.
I need you poolside, you've been on my mind. What if you want mine? It don't matter anyway. I like your south side, I like you on top. You make my heart stop. You make being me less hard. Got to quit my job. When they get that desire, you gotta do. I'ma take that, that's why
I give my experience here a 10/10, and I definitely will be coming back because the places near my house, we are going to try and go to Ulta and Target to see if I can find some cute press-on nails.
there's all they tell me. Am I saying too much? And baby, if it's all they tell me, am I saying too much?
But I went in there to get some nails and some lashes. Bitch! Fuck on my face! Please don't fall. Please do not fall. I want you to go across the street. You're good. Go ahead. Go ahead. To go. Go ahead. We gotta get gas before we go home,
Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know.
I'm a star. Having said that, I'm also a Barbie doll, and Barbie dolls are cute. Bye.
guys, we're going to breakfast. It's 10 o'clock. We're supposed to be leaving pretty much right now, but waiting for the family to hurry up. Alright friends, we are at the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog that I did. I had a blast for my birthday, and I appreciate everybody that wished me happy birthday. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye!